What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Sanctuary of Satisfaction. If the phrase double animal style whole grilled onion add chopped chilies medium rare means anything to you, we're doing smash burgers today, animal style. I'm TD. This is TD's Brew and Barbecue. First, we're going to put a little bit of butter on our griddle so we can fry up these burgers. Once the butter has melted, we're going to put the burger, about 1/3 cup loosely packed hamburger meat on the butter. Since it's a double, we're going to be using 2 patties today. Now we're going to throw our whole grilled onion up there. Whole grilled onion just is a slice of onion that's going to be pretty thick. Now after about a minute, our burgers are going to be ready to smash. We're going to go ahead and we're going to smash our burgers. Make sure they're pretty evenly smashed on both sides. There we go. Have some nice fat patties. Next is going to be the most important part of your animal style burger. We're going to be using TD's Brew and Barbecue Southern Mustard, and we're going to be smashing into these patties. When you have an award-winning Southern Mustard at your disposal like you do at TD's Brew and Barbecue, you're going to use it to your advantage. Now we got that mustard there. Get ready to flip our onion here. We want to keep our onions close to our burgers as we can to get some good flavor on those burgers. We're going to season up the onion with some TD's Brew and Barbecue Carne Sutra. This is going to be an amped up salt, pepper, and garlic. Now once we start to get a pretty good char on the bottom of these burgers, we're going to flip the burgers themselves over and we're going to fry it completely in that mustard. Now that we're starting to get a good char on our burgers, we're going to separate them from the griddle and then we're going to flip them over right into the mustard. Now these are really going to fry. And we're going to keep our onions as close as we can to all that mustard getting fried up. Now we're going to hit the burgers with a little bit of the Carne Sutra with the onions. Now we're going to butter up a bun. We're going to butter up both sides of our bun. Toast that for a minute while this cheese is finishing up. My onion didn't quite stay together this time, but typically it does stay together and you get a big chunk of grilled onion. All right. Now we're going to start to stack our burgers. I'm going to push that back down on top of there. And our onions getting all nice and toasty over here. Not fun. So now we have the chopped chilies. These are going to be some hot peppers that are pickled in vinegar. So I'm going to put those on there. And then I'm going to give us a nice coating of the sauce. I'm going to put the animal style sauce on the bun. my burger here. Now let's start getting them ready. Next, we're gonna add our onions right off the fryer, right on top of all those chilies and that sauce. Now we're gonna get our burger. We're gonna stack our burger on top of there. We're gonna add some more sauce on top of it because we gotta add double the sauce, otherwise it's not animal style. Top bun. Now we're gonna hit it with some tomatoes. We got tomato there. We're gonna get our lettuce on it. And now we're gonna put the top bun on. And we're gonna go eat it. Yeah, this thing is a beast. Watch that. Boom. Check that out. Now that is a beast of a burger. This is an animal style. I don't know what is. You can really taste the chopped chilies in there. You get a little bit of the spice, like the vinegar. That grilled onion really sets off the mustard on that patty. You might as well just have all the stuff that you want right here in this burger. I'm TD. This is TD's Brew and Barbecue. Thanks for watching. It's not just life-changing, it's also lunch-changing.